So for those of you who know the road to success for Tesla, you'd know that they started off with a very expensive product, so the Tesla Roadster, but then they were only able to sell a small number of them. And then later on, as they became more successful, they were able to sell a cheap product, and although they made less revenue per customer, they were able to sell to a significantly larger number of customers, therefore generating a significantly larger amount of revenue to be the successful company they are today. And Palantir have now launched a product which tells us that they are planning to follow Tesla's trajectory, and it makes me very bullish on the company. Now, what is this product? So this product is Palantir Foundry for builders. First of all, this is quite important. If you have a look here, Palantir said it closed in the first quarter of 2021 15 deals of $5 million or more, and 6 of them were $10 million or more. And as you can see, the revenue per customer is very high, but then the number of deals is very low. So I think what's going to happen over the coming years is you're going to see that the actual revenue per customer is going to go down, but what's really exciting is that you're going to see the number of deals over the coming years is going to increase exponentially, and it's because they're launching the Palantir Foundry for builders, which focuses on smaller startups rather than only going for large customers who pay a significant amount of revenue per customer. So let's have a look in a bit more detail. So Palantir has taken a huge step toward achieving enterprise dominance with the launch of Foundry for builders. And up until this point, the biggest hurdles keeping businesses from adopting Foundry have been price and accessibility. So it's very expensive and only a few number of customers can actually pay for it. Foundry is very expensive, historically kept it out of reach of many small businesses, but now they've created Foundry for builders, which fixes that accessibility issue by providing access to the Foundry platform to early stage companies to support their growth. So it's basically Foundry for hyper growth startups. Now this is very exciting, and as I've just demonstrated, I personally think they're following Tesla's trajectory by starting off with an expensive product for a few number of customers, and now they're transitioning to a cheaper product, but targeting a significantly wider audience. So their addressable market's becoming huge. And I just wanted to show you this graph in terms of their stock price to tell you what I think is going to happen with the stock. So this is a 1-year chart for the Palantir stock price, and as you can see, from about November of 2020, so about 8 months ago, for the past 8 months you can see we've consolidated nicely in the region of around $20 to $30. We might have gone up a bit and we might have gone down a bit, but generally we've consolidated nicely. And the reason why I'm so bullish on this company is because, as you can see, the stock price is the same here as it was there, but the company as it is today is significantly stronger than the company it was just 8 months ago. So that's why I personally think the stock price is really one day in the near future going to reflect the company's value. And like Cathie Wood says, the longer the consolidation phase, the larger the move is going to be, whether it's up or down. And although we don't know for sure whether it's going to go up or down, there could be black swan events, but ultimately one thing we can say for sure is the company as it is today is much stronger than it was 8 months ago, and we're now targeting a much wider audience in terms of customers. And I think over the coming years we're really going to see the number of deals being made increase significantly, therefore making the revenue increase significantly, and then when the revenue and profits start coming in significantly higher, we're going to see the stock price go up because of that, and it's really going to reflect the company's value. I personally see it easily doubling in the next year or so, and it might not sound like a lot in today's world and volatility, but it's a very good company and a very good company to hold for the long term. That is the end of the video. I'll be grateful if you could smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for future updates. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.